Explore a framework that shifts focus from disease to life-enabling actions, emphasizing health as a dynamic process across various scales. Understand how the human body interacts with the environment as a unified reality, contrasting fragmented and integrated models of health. Shift the focus from managing diseases to enhancing life capacity, redefining health and healing within a life-coherent framework. Health emerges from the interaction between organisms and their environments, emphasizing continuous coupling for life capacity. Explore the dual aspects of healing and health creation, focusing on internal and external factors that support health. Discover the 6-level architecture of life-coherent health, where coherence across levels is essential for healing. Explore how the body's defense mechanisms can hinder repair, focusing on cellular and organismal levels. Understand how life experiences shape biology, emphasizing the impact of social conditions on health. Learn about the salutogenic affordance field, where ease and support in daily life promote health. Explore the macro scale of health, focusing on the civil commons and the impact of shared resources. Balance exposure and repair to maintain health, reducing cumulative exposures while enhancing repair capacities. Explore the reserves that prevent system collapse, focusing on biological, psychological, and relational margins. Identify systemic blind spots that misrecognize harm, focusing on the gap between named harms and systemic realities. Explore a 10-step action method for systemic transformation, focusing on recognizing and transforming organism niche relations. Reflect on the master question for systemic change, aiming for a civilization where life capacity flourishes for all.